Hello, people of YouTube. Whoa, big.
Is it working?
Yes, it's working. This is my new camcorder. I went to Corner Book today and I bought it. Now we're outside Stephenville. Yeah, we're heading home. There's the guy. He's a beautiful. Right there. Passed over a bridge again. Well, that's the case for the camcorder. They only got this ball thing. I got Jolly Ranchers. This is going off. That's the from Sport Check. And Crackle Pizza. And we're heading into the road now.
Well, you're going out. I was like, take it.
Now I can actually do stuff.